days in the shadow of your silhouette, moving just to survive. All that I wanted was to start again, stumbling through the crowd, feeling off the ground, looking washing off your eyes, standing face to face, nothing to lose. I won't look back now. I feel the love, I wanna get to know you. I feel the love, let the past burn into the sun. I feel the love, I really wanna show you now. Oh, 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 oh. I feel the love, I wanna get to know you. I feel the love, let the past burn into the sun. Can't get enough, so much I wanna show you now.
MVP All-Stars Car Achievers! Dapat next time, kasama ka na!
It's not
Thankful ako sa gantong experience and sobrang dami natutunan na and super enjoy! Sobrang saya ko rin po today kasi yung activities and games na ginawa namin kanina, kasama kayo mga MVP Car Achievers, yun yung nagpa-solid ng experience namin today.
Yes, tama. Dahil once in a lifetime experience po ito na dito ko lang din po na experience. Iba sa ang World Vital. Sobrang saya po.
Sobrang thankful sa MVP ko and lalong-lalo na kay Mentor Page na nag-gathered ng ganitong activities. And hindi namin ito makakalimutan kasi sa labas, hindi namin ito na-experience dito lang sa MVP.
Thank you so much, Mentor Beach, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng MVP Core!
Grabe! Napakasarap na experience dito and sobrang amazing!
And sobrang grateful kasi nandito tayo sa community kung saan napakaganda talaga dito.
Yes, so congratulations sa lahat ng car achievers and syempre, na-experience namin mag-zipline, mag-rappelling, and mag-games kasama ang lahat ng car achievers ng Team MVP.
Grabe ang food trip, grabe ang experience, grabe ang saya.
Thank you so much, MVP! And thank you, Mentor Beach!
Grabe, sobrang sarap sa experience ng mga ganitong klase ng activity. And mas lalo nating nakikilala yung iba't ibang mga background or iba't ibang tao na under ng MVP Car Achiever. So marami tayong naging kaibigan and sobrang nag-enjoy po tayo dito sa ganitong klase ng activity po natin.
And it's my first time to join this kind of event and hopefully maulit-ulit. Ayun. And looking forward sa mga more exciting events pa na magaganap dito sa MVP.
Tama, ang saya-saya dito. First time yung mga ibang pinagagawa dito. Grabe, ibang experience.
Thank you Team MVP, thank you Mentor Page at sa core ng MVP. Maraming salamat for this wonderful experience. Thank you MVP! Thank you Mentor Page!
Thank you so much, Mentor Beach and MVP Core for this extraordinary experience from Team Spartans!
Grabe, sobrang sayang experience yung naranasan namin today.
Dito, yung community namin, nagkaroon kami ng exclusive team building para sa mga car achievers.
Yes, tama kasi sobrang saya po na makasama, maging part nitong Car Achievers ng MVP po. So, ang daming realizations po, especially dun sa mga activities kanina. One thing na talagang tumatak sa akin yung teamwork. Kasi together, everyone achieves more.
Kung ikaw gusto mo din makasama next time, kaya kailangan maging part ka ng community na pwede makapagpabago sa buhay na hindi mo makukuha kahit saan.
Tamang-tama kasi as we do the business, literally, may pleasure na kapalit kapag you're giving it your all, you're doing your best to help us. But at the same time, yung mga nagtuturo sa atin, yung mga mentor natin, binibigyan talaga tayo ng opportunity din na ma-enjoy.
Dahil dyan, thank you so much, Mentor Peach! We love you!
Congratulations, Team MVP! See you sa next Car Club Banding!